Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yang berhormat Datuk Dr. Muhammad Khairuddin bin Aman Razali, Minister of Plantation Industries and Commodities, Mr. Christopher Fix from CME Group, our valued partners, sponsors and supporters, distinguished speakers and panelists, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. Welcome to Bursa Malaysia Derivatives inaugural Virtual Palm and Lauric Oils Price Outlook Conference and Exhibition 2020, also known as Virtual POC 2020. I hope everyone is safe and in good health wherever you may be. Alhamdulillah, we are grateful to finally be able to convene this 31st POC, which was originally scheduled 4 months ago in June, albeit virtually. We are indeed fortunate that technology has enabled us to widen our reach, with participants now able to join us from across the globe. Rest assured, our virtual platform will still deliver an enhanced and interactive experience to facilitate transparent dialogue, address challenges, and discover opportunities for the oil palm industry. To our sponsors and participants who had planned to attend the earlier physical event, we apologize for the inconvenience caused, and we are truly grateful for your continued support. We do hope to see you personally here next year, though. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is going through an unprecedented healthcare crisis, with more than 1 million deaths and 36 million cases to date. Assessing the economic impact of COVID-19 remains challenging due to the extreme speed in which this crisis continues to unfold. Price volatility is no longer or no stranger to the market, and yet this pandemic outbreak has shaken the commodities sector. Reduced demand due to the slowdown of economies around the world has led to falling prices as well as disruptions to the production and supply chain. Nonetheless, Bursa Malaysia Derivatives remains committed to strengthening the palm complex suite to cater to the demand of market participants and provide a reliable hedging and arbitrage instrument against price volatility in the palm oil industry. Launched in 1980, our Bursa's Crude Palm Oil Futures, or FCPO, continues to be the most successful commodity futures contract in Malaysia, positioning the country as the global price benchmark for crude palm oil market. To demonstrate the extensive usage of FCPO globally as a hedging instrument, some 268 million metric tons of palm oil, the underlying for FCPO, were traded in 2019, representing 3.5 times of world production. This FCPO has also continued to achieve new highs this year, hitting a new record monthly trading volume of 1.66 million contracts and the highest daily trading volume over 125,000 contracts in March this year. It has also become a well-balanced product with an equal 50-50 participation between institutional traders and other market participants. We are encouraged by the consistent growth and view this as a positive development that indicates the rising confidence in Bursa Malaysia Derivatives products to manage price risk exposures. Ladies and gentlemen, the conversations we will have over the next 2 days at Virtual POC 2020 are highly relevant. The global economy will look vastly different post-COVID-19. The discussions that will take place, among others, will look at the impact this pandemic has had on the industry and how it will shape long-term sustainability moving forward. Has COVID-19 accelerated the transition to a sustainable future, or has it made it more challenging? Acknowledging the importance of sustainability, I believe Malaysia, as one of the world leaders in the palm oil industry, with a 26% market share of palm oil production, is in a strong position to do the right things and do things right. The Malaysian palm oil industry has led the way in sustainability certification. This is evidenced in the mandatory requirement for plantation companies to obtain the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil Certification, or MSPO, to reinforce the commitment of supporting the people, environment, and wildlife. Nevertheless, the challenges of building a sustainable future are immense and require collaborative efforts and innovative thinking from all stakeholders. Each one of us has a role to drive the long-term sustainability of the industry, and I'm confident that this POC platform will allow us to share our vision and commitment towards the advancement of this industry. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Bursa Malaysia, I would like to thank the Ministry of Plantation Industries and Commodities, the Malaysian Palm Oil Board, and the Malaysian Palm Oil Council for their immense contribution and continued support towards the development of the palm oil industry. I would also like to acknowledge the support of the CME Group, our strategic partner, and Dalian Commodity Exchange, our special exchange partner, as well as to our many other partners for the support, especially the titanium and platinum sponsors. Our heartfelt thanks and appreciation also go to the many Bursa Malaysia staff and partners who are instrumental in the smooth functioning of this virtual event. I wish everyone a very fruitful and productive conversation at this virtual POC 2020. Thank you.